Bringing this latest market news, I'm Uliana. Asian stock markets are mostly lower on Thursday following the weak lead from Wall Street amid uncertainty over the feasibility of the Trump administration's highly anticipated tax reform plan unveiled overnight. The plan offered no specifics on how the tax cuts would be paid for without increasing the budget deficit. Japan's benchmark Nikkei 225 index fell 0.2%. The Bank of Japan held policy steady as widely expected, but raises its assessment of the economy. Australia's S&P ASX 200 edged up 0.14%. South Korea's Kospi was up 0.1% after Samsung Electronics says its first quarter profits were the best since 2013. The Shanghai Composite and Hang Seng Index were marginally higher. On Wall Street, the S&P 500 ended down 0.05%, falling to cling to earlier gains made on optimistic views on corporate earnings. The Dow dipped 0.1% and the Nasdaq edged down less than 0.1%. The dollar held gains against the yen on Thursday after US President Donald Trump's tax plan offered no fresh surprises, slowing the greenbacks rally while the market awaited the European Central Bank's upcoming monetary policy decision. The US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a trade-weighted basket of 6 major currencies, is 0.04% to 98.81. Euro-US dollar inched up 0.01% to 1.0905. US dollar Canadian dollar traded down 0.52% to 1.3548. The yen was weaker after the Bank of Japan held steady as expected and the White House signaled it will not move to abandon the North American Free Trade Agreement. US dollar Japanese yen changed hands at 111.20, up 0.14%. The Australian dollar was a shade higher at 0.7485 US dollars after retreating to a 3-month low of 0.7455 US dollars the previous day on the lackluster local inflation data. US market is in focus today with the March release of US durable goods orders. US durable goods orders 12:30 GMT. Manufacturing activity decelerated to a 6-month low in March according to PMI survey data. Output growth slowed to a 6-month low in March, but today's March report on new orders is expected to show that growth endured. Econoday.com's consensus forecast calls for a monthly gain of 1.1%, the third straight increase. The year-on-year trend is on track to remain positive too. A weaker-than-expected report for orders today will stir questions about what's in store for Monday's ISM release for April. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.